follow along while we make a Mardi Gras cake. So I'm here with Miss Madeline, who's not looking at me, in her pretty tutu. Right, Maddie? She's here gonna help me make Mardi Gras cake. So here we go. These are our ingredients. We have 1 cup of milk, 4 cups of flour. We have salt. I believe that's 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm not sure how much sugar, but it'll be down in the descriptions. We have 1 packet of yeast, 2 eggs. We have Philly cream cheese, melted 1/4 butter. We have cinnamon. We have brown sugar, 2/3 cup. And then we have 6 tablespoons of butter softened. And those are our ingredients. We're gonna make a Mardi Gras cake today. You looking forward to it, Maddie? Oh, look at her, trying to look all cute. That's my baby. All right, follow along with us while we make this cake. So you're gonna take your warm milk, you're gonna put 1 tablespoon of sugar, and you're gonna put your dry yeast in it, and you're gonna mix it until it dissolves and starts to get like frothy looking. Okay, you can turn it off there.
Let it sit for 5 minutes.
Okay, Miss Madeline is going to mix our dry ingredients, which is 4 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of grated sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt. She's going to combine them well while our yeast is still rising. She's doing such a great job.
I'm making sure they're actually get down.
She's making sure it's fully combined, right? Good job. Okay, so in our mixing bowl with our dough paddle thingy for KitchenAid, we're going to put our flour inside the bowl with our yeast and our milk. And then we're going to add our 2 eggs with it. And then at the end, once it comes out like a paper thin dough, we're going to add our butter. So we're going to start with our flour. Maddie's going to help us.
Yep.
We're going to slowly put this on, and then we're going to take the flour and we're going to slowly put it in. All right, Maddie, your turn. Try not to get it all over the place, okay?
Okay.
Slowly put it in. There you go. We're going to do this until it's all combined. Got it? Careful. Good job.
I did it without making a mess.
Yep.
My mom's turn.
While she's doing that, I'm going to add the 2 eggs slowly so we
finish?
can get them started.
Mommy, want me to finish it?
Yep, keep on putting it in.
Okay.
I'm going to get the eggs in there. 2 eggs at room temperature. So, Mardi Gras cake was originated in France. It was brought over. It was really to represent the 3 wise men on January 6th. Eventually, it became the French settlers who brought it to New Orleans, and it became Fat Tuesday's tradition. So now they use it every year for Fat Tuesday. It's a staple on people's tables.
What should we?
Alright, once our dough is getting doughy, we're going to add our butter to it.
Yep.
It's 4 teaspoons of butter. Or tablespoons. Sorry, 4 tablespoons of butter. So we're going to put a little bit of flour so we can roll our dough, get it into a ball, and then we're going to throw it in a bowl with a little bit of oil. This way can rise. We're gonna let it sit for like an hour so it can rise. It's gonna help it double in size and be ready for us to make into a cake.
I hot. Put it up a tip. Put it up a tip.
Okay, we're gonna put it in our bowl. We're gonna wrap it with some saran wrap. Then we're gonna put a towel over it. We're gonna leave it in a warm spot for an hour, and it's gonna rise and double. And then we'll do the next step. On a clean surface, we're gonna sprinkle on a little bit of flour.
Spread it.
That's right. We're gonna take our dough.
We're gonna.
Maddie's gonna be my helper. She's gonna roll it out.
I'm
And try to make it as...
I'm gonna get down for 1 second so I can help Mom.
Yeah, roll. You put some elbow in there.
Got it. I got it.
You got it.
I think I got it. Mom, excuse me.
Oh, excuse you.
I'm trying to help.
Just messing with you. All right, we're gonna roll it out. Come on, help me. Push, roll, push, push, roll. Trying to keep it even. Yeah. Okay. Let's see, did we get it yet? Okay. I'm gonna kind of get it even. Okay, we're gonna take butter and we're going to smear it on like you were buttering your bread, leaving a little bit, like an inch around the edge. This is 4 tablespoons of butter. I don't know if I'm gonna use it all, but that's what you're supposed to be using. It's gotta be softened too, so it's easy to spread all over the dough. Then it already is. Alright, now we're gonna take our cinnamon sugar and we're just gonna sprinkle it in the middle all over. All of this is gonna go all over. This was 3/4 cup of light brown sugar or dark brown sugar with 1 tablespoon and a half of cinnamon. Just gonna spread this all over. Without destroying your table, you're going to want to cut this in half, like so, just like that. And then you're going to roll it, like this. Just simple roll, connecting it all the way so that you have one done. And then we're going to do the same to the other side. Connecting the edges, pinching them together. Now, we're going to pinch it all the way down, making sure they're together. And then we're going to wrap them like a braid. And then connect it. Mardi Gras cake would be done. And we're gonna bake it in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. And I'm gonna see that Mardi Gras. See the Mardi Gras. And when we get to New Orleans, and I wanna see that zoo. See how we're looking? Ooh. Looks done to me. Yummy. We're gonna let it cool for 5 minutes and we're gonna transfer it to our cake. So a lot of people didn't want to put a plastic baby, so what we decided was we printed out a baby and we're gonna put it on our cake platter, and then whoever gets this section is gonna have to bring the Mardi Gras cake for next year. So I've made my cream cheese. It's 1 8-ounce cream cheese, and it's 4 tablespoons of confectionate sugar. In mine, I put a little bit of lemon and a little bit of vanilla. We're gonna spread this all over, and then our cake is almost done. Okay, so Mardi Gras colors are purple. What's this one?
Green. Gold.
They represent justice, faith, power, respectfully. We're gonna sprinkle them on. All right, Maddie, here.
And you.
You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Let's do it together.
Because I want
Let's do this part. And this is our Mardi Gras cake. Hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye. Hope you like it.